My experience and my decision to put her in Little Millennium took little bit time because of course as a parent I was also exploring many options.
इस तरह का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मैंने एटलीस्ट यहाँ इस एरिया में तो किसी स्कूल में नहीं देखा था। जिस तरह से ये लोग बच्चों का सोच के कॉर्नर्स को मैनेज करके चलते हैं, या वॉशरूम हो गया या क्लासरूम हो गया, सब कुछ मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा।
आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट आई चोज दिस स्कूल फॉर माई डॉटर बिकॉज ऑफ दिस देयर इनोवेटिव करिकुलम एंड देयर creative approach to the studies.
Here in Little Millennium, they are providing a very happy, safe and secure environment to my child, which I feel happy about that okay, I made a good decision of sending her to Little Millennium.
तो हम लोगों ने जब ज्वाइन करवाया था स्वयं को, द ओनली रीज़न क्योंकि हमारे घर के बहुत पास था, बट ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ टाइम स्वयं ने यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी तरीके से अडॉप्ट किया, फ्रेंडशिप की, दोस्तों से शेयरिंग सीखी, बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट भी हो गया है। इनफैक्ट अब वो स्कूल में इतना ज़्यादा रुकना चाहता है कि कई बार वो हमसे बोलता है कि डे केयर में रुकना, स्लीपिंग एट स्कूल इज़ सो मच फन देन स्लीपिंग एट होम।
She is very introvert and she does not mingle up with any kids very easily. But जब मैं स्कूल आई फर्स्ट टाइम लिटिल मिलेनियम नोएडा, और यहाँ का जब मैंने इन्वायरमेंट देखा कि इतना किड्स फ्रेंडली है, तभी आई डिसाइडेड डैट नहीं, जीवा को मैं इसी स्कूल में ही इनरोल करवाऊँगी।
And she is quite curious about new things, the learning things. She wants to do all the activities all by herself because the curriculum that Little Millennium uses is basically activity-based curriculum, and they use more practical approaches rather than the bookish knowledge that generally we encounter in different schools.
That contributes to child's overall growth. So all in all, I am really impressed, and I would recommend Little Millennium to any of my colleagues, any of my friends who are looking to enroll their child in one of, or looking to start their child's learning journey. And I hope that Little Millennium even extend their classes to maybe standard 5th or standard 10th. I'd be happy to continue, keep sending my child to Little Millennium.
We can simply take a follow-up by using the app and by knowing that okay, what has been done today in the class.
In a short time, I have seen incredible growth in Yashwin, both emotionally and social.
And I would like to say also that Little Millennium बच्चों के टैलेंट को आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, और उसको आइडेंटिफाई करने के बाद उसको नर्चर करते हैं कि बच्चे को किस राइट वे में आगे जाना है।
I have no idea that my daughter loves to dance or is into dancing. So I'm very happy that Little Millennium gave her that opportunity and identified her talent and nurtured by giving her proper training in that direction.
So I would just like to take a few minutes to talk about my journey, my kids' journey with Little Millennium. So enrolling my kids in Little Millennium was one of the best decisions I've made so far. So I had seen a lot of play schools before enrolling them, and Little Millennium was one place where I decided that no, I want them to start their schooling journey from.
They are always reachable whenever you need, like you can reach out to the principal, you can reach out to the LM teachers. They are very responsive,
and that's why I feel at peace that my daughter is at a safest place and the best school.
They also take our feedback very positively and then they work on it also.
These all results are of their loving and caring environment which they provide to their students in their school. So I'm really thankful to all the teachers and all the staff just to lay down the foundation for my kids.
Thank you Little Millennium for taking care of my kids and providing them educational environment so that this will help them to grow and become a good person.
Thank you Little Millennium for giving the right base for my child.
And I want to say a big thanks to Little Millennium.